So I just found a name for what I realized. So here it is. It's called reflexivity. It's awesome. I can learn about the way I learn about that which I learn. I can learn about the way I learn what I learn. So I can learn more about, I can enhance the way I learn more, and learn more about the way I learn, which allows me to learn more and faster. And this is also this is evolution. This is the new evolution. This is consciousness. When you could understand that I can learn about the way I learn what I learn, and it just keeps on spiraling more and more, larger and larger. It's deep. Here's another one. Would anything exist? Some philosophers and scientists say that nothing exists. There's no ultimate reality if there were no perceiver. In other words, if there was no knower, nothing would exist. And most scientists say, of course, there would be reality. The universe would exist whether or not there were humans to perceive it. But I'm questioning that, and I'll say that, see if you can figure this out. Follow me on this. To say that reality exists, or something exists, without a knower, or to say that something exists, to answer that question and say reality exists, is a distinction. You're making a distinction about reality. But to have a distinction, there must be a perspective, a subjective perspective. Because a distinction must be relative to something. So what scientists do is they say, well, if you say that nothing exists without a knower or a human, then you're hubris, that's anthropocentric. But really, it's anthropocentric to say that there's something without humans, because if you say that, you're taking perspective for granted. In other words, the only reason why you can say something exists without a knower or perceiver is because you've already seen reality and you can imagine it existing without you. But it's all just taking place in your mind anyway. So without a perceiver or knower, there would be less than nothing, because both nothing and something would be undetermined.